What's up, fellas? It's your boy Chris. Let's talk about trucks. Real fast. What we're working on today is your Thermoking Tri-Pack APU serpentine belt. It's super easy to fix. If you know what you're doing. You got a few tools. It doesn't take long. I like to keep extra parts on the truck, like belts, fuel filters, certain stuff. You know that's kind of hard to find if you get into a bind at a truck stop and they don't have what you need. You know you got it on the truck on hand and it's ready to go. But anyways, just so happened that the serpentine belt on the APU broke, but I didn't have what I needed, so I just went to freaking Advanced Auto Part and picked up this serpentine belt. It's got six teeth on it, and let's see if it'll fit. I bet it will. It cost me $30. Tri-Pack or Thermoking charges almost $60-something for their serpentine belts. The factory serpentine belt, $60. This would cost me $30. I think I got a better deal. Anyway, so when you get out here, you're gonna need a T30 star bit. That's what you're gonna use to take the housing off. I didn't take everything off. Didn't take everything loose, but for the most part, I got this back side of the housing off. And just T30. You got 1, 2, 3. You got about, I don't know, 10, maybe 12 bolts. Take all that stuff loose, and then you can get to your serpentine belt. You take the bottom off too. And you'll see your alternator. You got your crankshaft pulley, and you got your air conditioner compressor. All right, it's only 3 pulleys. Okay, and then you'll need on mine, on the back side here, this bar going across from the compressor to your alternator. It's a what you call it? This is your tensioner pulley. This is your tightener basically. This control, you know, how tight you want your belt, how loose you want it. You got to take it loose. Anyways, on the back side, I'll show you that here in a second. On the back side, that is I think it was a 1/2 inch. I watched another video and the guy said it's a 13 millimeter, but no, for mine, and yours may be different, but for mine, it's a 1/2 inch, you know, standard socket. You get back there, you loosen that one up, and this whole thing, you take a long screwdriver, the whole thing it'll move, you know, it'll move left and right, or back and forth, however you want to say it. So you loosen that up. Don't take it all the way off, but you just loosen it up and pull it towards you. Now you should be able to give yourself some slack, some room to put the belt on. I don't have anywhere to put the camera, so I'm just going to stop the video right here, put the belt on, and then I'll come back to the video. So just give me 1 minute, or maybe I could set it up right here on the tire of the truck. Yeah, we'll try that. The camera may fall, I don't know. Let's take the belt out. Get up in there. Go around your compressor. Go around your crankshaft pulley. And then boom. Just like that. Okay. I got the new belt on. Now only thing we need to work on is making sure everything lines up, and then I'm gonna put some tension on the belt with that same pulley like I was telling you about a little while ago. Can you see? Right here, I'll show you what to do. Get your 1/2 inch socket ready. So when you get the correct tightness, you know, you get it back to your desired tension. I know you can't see that, but what I got it at right now, that's pretty good, but I'm going to tighten it up a little bit more. Trying to figure out where I can put you guys so you can see what I'm doing. Hopefully that'll be looking right at it, I think. Got my half inch socket and the socket wrench. Put it on tighten. Let's rock and roll, baby. Like I said, when you get ready, when you want to tighten it up, push away from you. And tighten that thing up. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh shit! Oh man, come on! The goddamn, the freaking nut broke, dog. That ain't good at all. It's time for a new alternator anyways. But you get the gist of it. I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. Literally, I don't know how I'm gonna fix that. The freaking broke. The nut broke on me. It's time for a new alternator anyways. Can't really run it like that, but you get the gist of it, man. You see what I'm trying to do. It really ain't that hard. A new alternator should come with, hell, if I wanted to, I could really take a new nut and bolt, push this back. I could put a nut and bolt right up in there. I might try that. Just temporary fix until we get this thing back together. So I get a new alternator. They should be able to buy me a new a new tensioner pulley bolt too. To go right along with that. Hell, I could. No, that ain't gonna work. No. Let's see if I got some nuts and bolts in here. I probably do. Well, anyways, we got the freaking the belt on, but would you believe that I can't believe that nut and bolt broke. So I just kind of put a temporary fix on it for now, considering that the old bolt is stuck inside the alternator, though. I mean, where they do that at? Jesus Christ, I can't get a break. But for now, this will work. Just try to take it easy whenever you're putting yours on. Try not to break that nut and bolt, man. Try not to break that bolt. I guess it's old, brittle. Anyways, that should do. That'll suffice. The belt's it's tighter than, you know. It's all right. It should hold. I'll try to cut the truck off, run it, and see what it'll do. I'm gonna put everything back together. Matter of fact, I'm gonna run it before I put everything back together. If I don't like it, I'll just take it and go buy me a new alternator and get another one of these. Get another one of those serpentine tensioner nut and bolt, you know. So yeah, that's what it is. Let me see what it does. See what it does. Before I put everything back together, try to test it out. All right, so we got the serpentine belt put back on. We got the unit running, but it looks like we got a little issue with the AC compressor. Plus the alternator is kind of going on and off. Anyways, if you like this video, drop a like, comment, subscribe, and a share if you could. There will be some more videos in the near future. Whenever I get the new alternator, I'll put that on, and then I go and get another compressor and slap that in there too. Hopefully, you you guys enjoyed the video, you guys stay safe, keep saving money, keep the rubber side down, 18-wheelers out of ditches, and the popos out your britches. Yeah.
Damn, mommy. I just want to